Wakili Linda Kiome ura wendekethetwo utwika munene wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Meru rukirerwa Alamisi na kinyere mbere ya kamiti ya wandikani mbunge-ini ya Meru kuungo mori kuoneka akithira ena umbani bo kujuria kanya kau kaunti-ini ya Meru. Linda akirana wite akithira akiritania ngui na gavana Mutuma Ntwethinge na kinya kumuwatia utungata kariba kaunti ya Meru. Hamuna bu Linda nethirite akiwa ntho baba kisiasa nebo kuwa narigiti ukuma obisine mbere ya kinya kuungo mori akiwa biatho bironekete mbere ya muingi ni gavana Mutuma na munini wa Rais Kithure Kindiki bethirite bomuwete weni na rombete kametu kwethire mwakanya utungata kaunti ya Meru na batethira bakilila mutugikare katwambiriretio utuko borwari
Muthenya jwanarwanire wakiri Linda Kiome ura worotine gavana Mutuma Ntwethinge ari munini wawe akuthujagwa ni mbunge ya Meru arethire akiurwa biuria nkabo begeni obisi werigeri gutonya na tugitega jamwe jamachokyo jawe ni mutongerero ugite kiambere atonya obisine akethira akingatana na manifesto na kiroto kya munene wake gieni Meru.
Is very intentional on issues of agriculture. He has brought in investors to invest in agriculture. He is also very intentional on youth issues. We are facing a lot of unemployment in youths, and I have seen that he is very intentional on ensuring that the backbone of our economy, agriculture, youth, and also issues of health and building infrastructure in health has been alleviated. So I would prioritize on prioritizing his vision, manifesto, and agenda.
Kingi wakiri Linda na ugite ukanyumene negukujeri kura kwigona gategate kangabana na munini wawe na kiuga undu tabobo kwaja gwichokera kirathithia neguchwantaira na njira ya kwaraniria bagetu maira njira ya kindene bate kuringithia uritingu gikiri mwingi inde akiuga kuringana uronete gavana Ntwethinge kwegitarira jukia wathani nethirite ikarabwega na atongeria akibeja. Having
such dialogue, I would think ensuring that we have mediation, internal dispute resolution mechanisms, they always help, so that where two people are not able to agree, then a third party can come in and assist in resolving the issues. And that is how I would look at it in that front.
Bwa kuongera wakiri Linda na ugite moroto jonge negotigera wandi cionthe chikuona mirandi ya weti na mbere nganene kirimbanjeti na nkorokia akiwa kuri na gitumi kia obisi ya munini wa gavana kwithire na kigina kia gutetheria gavana kuingia manifesto jawe akiuga ukanyumene Mutumari gavana atonaga kinyanduru ya gwita maturene kwaraniria na kari.
The deputy governor, now His Excellency the Governor, how he was stifled because he did not have a budget. He was not able to work well. He was not able to engage with the members of the community, and that brought up a prolonged dispute between the office of the governor and the office of the deputy governor.
Muthiene wakiri Linda na thereti ati kumari kuoroto ta munini wa gavana we atatonya obisi kana ritangugia obisi eu tora nguto chethirete igitambua na akiuga na araretaga micemano na ukarethagira arikine gavana.
It is not true that I have already taken office. The public appearances I have made were made through